What does ChatGPT tell about Tech Burner? Tech Burner is an Indian technology website and YouTube channel that provides news, reviews, and analysis of technology products and services. Tech Burner was founded in 2016 by Shlok Srivastava. The website and YouTube channel cover a wide range of technology topics, including smartphones, laptops, gaming, social media, apps, and more. Tech Burner has a team of experienced writers and editors who regularly publish articles, videos, and podcasts on various technology-related topics. The Tech Burner YouTube channel has over 10 million subscribers and is one of the most popular technology channels in India. Tech Burner has collaborated with several leading technology companies, including Samsung, Xiaomi, and Realme, to bring exclusive news and reviews to its audience. Tech Burner has won several awards, including the Best Tech Influencer Award at the Indian Blogger Awards in 2019. Tech Burner also offers a range of services to help businesses grow their online presence, including content creation, influencer marketing, and social media management. Shlok Srivastava, the founder of Tech Burner, is a well-known tech influencer in India and has been featured in several leading publications, including The Economic Times and India Today. Thanks for watching. Next is Kari Minati.